All right, so today I'm going to show you the TP-Link AC1750 mesh Wi-Fi router, full gigabyte dual band Archer A7. That's a lot of names. So this is the box that it comes from, and apparently it is compatible with Alexa. It's #1 in customer satisfaction. And on the side, it tells you a little bit if you want to take a screenshot of that. And this is the back. And supposedly, you know, it's supposed to work really good. So we're going to take a look at it, check it out. And that's the box. Let's go ahead and set that over there. All right, so anyway, the TP-Link AC1750 only comes with 3 things. You've got this landline, right? It's kind of like the telephone, cords that you used to use with the telephone cords, back when we had the landlines. Over here, you've got your electrical connector, which you plug into your wall. And then this is basically the unit itself. These move, and you can point them in all different directions, so that, that might work for getting better signals. And then in the back, first of all, you've got your power. So this is where you would put your power, right here. You plug it in like that, and then of course you got to unhook this and plug it into a wall socket, right? Let's unplug it for now. Right here you've got your power on and off, which you have to press to turn it on, right? Over here you got a USB plug, and the USB plug itself is for external hard drives that you can share the information on those drives with the total system. Here's your internet, so you're going to plug your internet here that's coming from your modem, all right? And then you've got 4 different ports for Ethernets. And these 4 ports for the Ethernets can go all through the house, but if you're going to wire it to, let's say, other devices like TVs or, computers, whatever. And then over here, you've got a WPS Wi-Fi on and off switch. And if you look on your modem, you're going to see that there's a WPS on the bottom. And that's one of the things that you need to connect extenders with. And then over here is a reset button. You can take a little toothpick and push in there to reset the thing. If, let's say you have a brownout at your house and everything goes out and nothing's working, you can reset it that way. Or the best way I say is just to pull it out and push it back in. Hold it for 10 seconds out, and that's basically what comes in the box itself. Now it also comes with this card here, and you get this 10% discount on other items. You might want to hang on to that. It's got a QR code on it. But then you also get this. So you've got to go online to set this whole thing up. It's easy to set up to your hardware, but you have to go online. And right here is where they give you the URL that you can go to manage the router. And you also have a Tether app that you can download on your phone. I think Android and, of course, your iPhone. And here is the QR code to scan for the Tether if you want to just pull it up on your iPhone or your Android. And then you can write the stuff in here once you've figured it all out. It does come with some instructions, and it's very simple. I mean, the first thing that they want you to do is unplug your modem. So you turn off your modem, and then what you're going to do is you're going to connect the powered off or the powered down modem that you just turned off to the router's internet port with an ether cable. So if you look here, here's your modem, here's your cable, and it's going to run right over here, and it's going to go in the internet slot on this. So what you're going to do is you're going to take that and you're going to bring it right here, and you're going to plug it in. So that's coming from your modem into this slot here, which is pretty simple. All right, so once you've got that done, what you're going to do is you're going to power on the modem, and then you're going to wait for about 15, mine takes like 15 minutes to get to restart. So this says 2 minutes, but mine takes a lot longer. It's an AT&T. So it depends on your modem how long it's going to take to restart and reconnect with the internet. But over here then, once you've got that done, then you're going to connect your power adapter. Right, so I showed you that right here, right? That's the powered, that's where you put it in. And here's the power adapter. This goes in the wall. This goes into the router here, just like that. Bam, done. All right, so you got that done. I just dropped it on the floor. All right, so let's set that back down. All right, so once you've done that, you've connected the power adapter to the router, you turn it on. The way you turn it on again is just by pressing that button right there. All right. So next, you're going to check in the front of the modem. I mean the router. These things right here. All right. So you should see this one lit up, which is the power on. Then you should see 2.4 gigs and then 5 gigs. And then you should see your internet turn on. And that's going to be one of these other babies right here. So that'll show, those will all turn on green. If you got an orange, then you know that it's not working. So you got to have green. And that's pretty much it. That's basically plugging the hardware in. It's pretty simple. Now, after you've done that, you've got to set up the network, okay? So there's a couple ways you can do it. You can go to the Apple Store or the Google Store, or you can scan it here. Then you open up the Tether app, and then it tells you all of the things that you need to do. You just kind of follow the prompts. Now, you can also do it on your web browser, too. And it just basically tells you how to do it here. If you have problems with this thing, you can always call them up and have them walk you through it, you know. So anyway, this thing cost me, I think, $57 on Amazon. It's AC1750. They have more expensive ones, but this is really the best-selling one, and this one works really good. So we're gonna go ahead and plug that thing in and see how it works, and we'll give you another video on how that experience goes. But basically, that's what you get in the box. And this was very inexpensive. I think it was like 50 bucks. And we're going to try it out, and we're going to let you know how it works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.